This video will show you how to set up a course's gradebook to let different graded items be different percentages of the final grade. It will also show you how to group some items into a new grade category with its own percentage of the final grade, and show you how to view the grader report for the course. This first section will show you how to set up a weighted gradebook. Log into Moodle and open the course you want to edit. Click the Settings gear icon on the right and click Gradebook Setup. Under the Actions column, click the Edit pull-down that is on the right side of the top-level course name row and click Edit Settings. In the Grade Category section, make sure the aggregation setting is Weighted Mean of Grades. Scroll down and click Save Changes. This section will show you how to create a new category. You can now create a category for any items you wish to group together into one grade weight percentage. Click the Add Category button at the bottom. Enter a category name, for example, Quizzes. Set the aggregation as desired, for example, mean of grades, if you want all quizzes to be weighted equally in the category. At the bottom of the grade category section, click Show More, and new items will appear. Set the Exclude Empty Grades checkbox as you want. You can check it to exclude items that have not been graded, so the student sees the current grade average for only the things that have been graded. If you choose this method, near the end of the course, be sure to uncheck the box once all assignments have been graded in order to have any assignments not done by the student to receive a grade of 0. If desired, enter into the Drop the Lowest field the number of lowest grades you wish to exclude from the grade calculation. Click Save Changes, then after the recalculation, click Continue. You will see that the new category, Quizzes in our example, has been created. Under the Weights column, put the weight you want this category to have in the final percentage. For example, if you want the new Quizzes category to be 20%, enter 20 in its weight column. Click Save Changes, then after the recalculation, click Continue. Back on the Gradebook Setup page, if you have any items that will not be included in the grade, enter 0 in their Weights column and click Save Changes, and after any recalculation, click Continue. This section will show you about moving items into the new category. To move items into your new category, click those items checkboxes on the right side. We will select quizzes 2 through 5 in this example. Then scroll to the bottom and in the Move Selected Items To pull-down, select the new category name, Quizzes in our example. After the recalculation, click Continue. Adjust the weights for all the top-level items not in a subcategory. The weights should add up to 100. Note, if you have assignments that are not automatically graded by Moodle, for example, threaded discussions like this one, these are forums, you must use the Add Grade Item function to add those and leave the other settings alone. This threaded discussion item has already been added, so we won't be doing that on these screens. After adding any of these manually graded items, make sure your top-level weights add up to 100. Note, if you have multiple threaded discussion forums to be graded separately, you must create a new category, for example, threaded discussions, and move all those items into that category. You will assign the weight of the category so that all the items in the Weights column in the Gradebook Setup screen add up to 100. This section will show you how to move items anywhere in the gradebook. From the gradebook setup screen, in the row for the item you want to move, click the Move icon on the left side, the up and down arrow. After the screen refreshes, click the gray Move to Here icon at the position to which you want the item to move. The screen will refresh again with the item moved. This section will show you how to view the grader report. From the gradebook setup screen, click the pull down at the top. Then click Grader Report to see a table with the rows showing all of the students and the columns showing all of the assignment items. All items you included in the gradebook setup screen will be shown, including the manually graded items like threaded discussion forums. So that's how to set up weighted gradebooks in Moodle. Thank you.